In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Tasks to Notion using Zapier. This integration allows you to manage your tasks more efficiently by syncing them between these two platforms. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Type notion.so into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage where you can either sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Next, open a new tab in your browser. In this tab, go to the Zapier website by entering zapier.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Wait for the page to load completely. You will see the Zapier homepage, which contains options to log in or sign up. Once you are on the Zapier homepage, locate and click on the Create button, which should be prominently displayed on the screen. This action will take you to the page where you can start creating a new Zap, which is how Zapier refers to its automated workflows. After that, select the Zaps option from the menu on the left side of the screen. This will direct you to a page that lists all your existing Zaps. At this point, you can start a new Zap by clicking the Create Zap button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. In the search bar that appears, type Notion to Google Tasks. As you type, suggestions will come up. Once you see the option for Notion, click on it to proceed with the setup process. Now, click on the Start Building button. This will take you to the Zap editor, where you can configure the details of your integration. Wait for the editor to load completely before continuing. You will need to wait for the AI to generate the necessary configurations for your tasks. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your setup and your internet connection speed. Once the AI has generated the settings, you will see a confirmation message. It is essential to ensure that everything has loaded correctly before proceeding to the next step. Locate and click on the Notion option in the setup area. This selection will allow you to configure your connection to Notion, enabling it to communicate with Google Tasks. Next, click on the Setup button to begin configuring how your tasks will sync between the two applications. This is where you will provide the necessary permissions and settings for the integration. You will then click on the New Data Source Item option. This action allows you to specify what type of data you want to sync from Notion to Google Tasks. Following that, click on the Instant option. This choice will ensure that tasks are updated in real time as changes occur in Notion. Next, click on the Account option to link your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to access your Google Tasks for synchronization. Now, click on your specific Notion workspace, which is labeled as code 003's space. Ensure you select the correct workspace to avoid any issues with task syncing. Then, click on the Google Tasks option to specify that you want to connect to this particular service. This step is necessary for setting up the integration accurately. After that, you will click on the Action Event option. This will allow you to define what action should be taken in Google Tasks when a task is created in Notion. Next, select the Update Task option. This selection will enable the integration to update existing tasks in Google Tasks based on changes made in Notion. You will be prompted to click on Update Task again to confirm your action. This step is crucial to ensure that your task updates are processed correctly. Next, click on the Account option once more to ensure you are connected to the right Google Tasks account for the updates. Finally, click on the Connect Google Tasks button to complete the integration process. This action will finalize the connection between Google Tasks and Notion, allowing for seamless task management. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.